What is up? My name is Mike, and in this video I travel from Koh Samui to Koh Phangan for the full moon party. The morning of the party I got a ferry from Koh Samui to Koh Phangan. This is the pier I arrived in Koh Phangan. The ticket to go to Koh Samui is 200 baht, which is just under six US dollars. And it's the same price to go from Koh Samui to here, 200 baht. What is up? This morning I decided to get a ferry and come over to Koh Phangan, home of the world famous biggest beach parties of the world, the full moon parties. The party is tonight. I already checked into my room. I'm staying right here on the beach, down in this direction. It's about 12:30 now, so I'm just gonna maybe have a swim. There are a lot of bars on the beach. Nothing really happening yet, it's early. And I'm gonna walk around this little town a little bit and check it out. I think later tonight this place is going to look a lot different. I got to the island early in the morning, so I had a good amount of time to swim in the ocean, check out the beach, and walk around town a little bit before the party even got started. The beach was okay, definitely wasn't my favorite beach in Thailand though. Looks like they're preparing. Guessing they're going to put this barrier up later and charge 200 baht, which is just about $6 to get over to the beach. Waterfall party in 2 days. My hotel's already on the beach, so I don't think I'll have to pay the entrance fee. Different types of designs you can get painted on your body for the party. All the shirts, full moon shirts. I just bought a smoothie, banana and mango, 50 baht, about $1.50. It's good, it's real good actually. This is the room I'll be staying in tonight. It is a 24 bed dorm room, but there's only 6 beds that have sheets on them. The other 18 are not made up at all, so I'm not sure what the deal is with that. So I was able to pick the bed that I wanted. It was $30, so there wasn't a lot of choices. They were all dorm rooms. There wasn't a lot of private rooms that were reasonably priced. So this is what I took. What is up? And it is party time. So the party started. Let's walk around and take a look at what's going on. The beach was busy all night long. Every bar had its own sound system, so the music was kind of competing with each other, so that got a little bit crazy. There were fire shows going on all over the place, and people jump roping with fire and things like that. Obviously, there were a lot of drunk people. I was out most of the night. I did take a little bit of a break around 3:30 to about 5 o'clock, went to my room and took a little nap. This girl gets hit right in the leg as soon as she got into the jump rope. The sparks started coming right at me, so I had to sort of back up. I thought it was going to be all kids in their 20s, but there were people there in their 30s, their 40s, and even people older than that. It's sunrise now, and there's still a lot of music going on. There's still a lot of people. There are a lot of people down the other side where the bars are still serving alcohol. I continued to walk around for a few more hours, and there were people sleeping on the beach around 7:30, but I was not filming at that time. After the party, I get a 9:30 ferry back to Koh Samui. But that's it for this video. In my next video, I will be in Bangkok. Thanks for watching. I hope you check it out. See you soon.